Hey guys, so we are back. We're going to be doing another acrylic pour today. So go ahead and grab some cups and some popsicle sticks because you're going to need them. So while you're quarantined sitting at home, you can watch this video and follow along the steps with me. So today I'm going to be using a baby blue that I mixed, a bright neon yellow, then I'm also going to be using this red ochre color that I love. Of course, we're going to be using some jet black as well as some titanium white just to neutralize those other colors. I'm going to be using a bright primary red as well. Alright, make sure you have a good consistency there as well. Remember, I'm only mixing Floetrol in with my paints. Got a good copper color there as well. And let's get started. We're going to go ahead and start pouring in different colors here and there in one of the cups. My original goal for this was to create two very different separate pours and then have them kind of collide in the middle and create a really cool split. That did not necessarily happen in this video, but I am happy with how the pour turned out. So just make sure that you put a little bit of paint here and there, layer it up really good in the cup. One of the other things too that you want to make sure is that you have plenty of paint in your cup and that it's going to cover the whole surface. You can see I'm adding different layers. I'm not mimicking the same as the first cup. I'm doing different colors in different ways here. I was really wanting the second cup to be darker than the first, which is why I used black in this one and then titanium white in the first one. You can see I'm going back and adding more paint in the first cup and in the second cup because I was worried I didn't have enough paint. And we're going to go ahead and start the pour. Make sure you don't have any excess hairs or anything and just flip the cup on over. This is kind of considered the flip cup method still because I am flipping the cup over, but it's not necessarily the traditional way to do it. Here I am just adding extra paint because I needed a little bit more paint on the actual surface there. And I'm lifting up the cups. You can see a lot of that red ochre in that first pour. And then you can see I've got more of the bright red and the copper in this one as well. I may have used a little bit too much blue in the second pour as well, which is why it looks not as split down the center as I wanted it to, but here I am taking it to all corners of the wood. And that's that. So I'm going to get you a closer look here of what happened with the cells and everything that naturally formed. I didn't use any silicone. These were cells that formed naturally with the Floetrol and the paint. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe. And let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks, guys.